Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today. I've got another haul. In the last few weeks I've probably posted a few hauls because I found some really great deals and I just couldn't pass them up. Sometimes I think I'm more of a sales shopper than I am a new product shopper. I tend to get more excited about the things I can buy on sale than if some new product comes out onto the market. I'm not the one person that's like, oh, I want to try that and be the first one to try it. No, I have no interest in that. Now give me a good sale and my butt will show up. Anyways, I don't know if y'all knew, but July 29th was National Lipstick Day. And Ulta always comes through. Ulta had a killer, unbelievable sale on their website on lipstick, and I picked up some were things that I've been wanting to try, some were things that I wanted to try in new colors, and I mean, I got quite a few things, and so I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. My birthday's in August, and so I was like, this is part of my birthday present to me. So guys, here are some of the things that they send with it, you know, the stubs and stuff. So let me pull that out of the box. And again, this is the Ulta haul. Everything's inside of here. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'll start with the thing that they sent me for free. It was this Ulta lip treatment, and it has a scrub, it has a hydrate, and it has little lip masks. Now, I've never used a lip mask, so I don't really know if they're, you know, any good or anything like that, but I thought this is really cute and I wouldn't mind giving this as a gift to someone because I think it might be useful. So in either case, I got this for free. It was part of, if you spent so much money, they would send something to you, and this was what they sent. I think the lipstick that I was most excited were to try or to get in a different shade were the BECCA's Love Lipsticks. I don't know if you guys heard, but I got one of these in a BoxyCharm box, and I had put it into one of my newish hauls, and it was in the color Sorbet, and I absolutely loved the formula. I thought it was really, really nice. But I didn't care for the color for spring and for summer. So it was more of a fall color in the color Sorbet for me. So I kind of put that away for the fall, but when they put these on sale, buy one get one, so in essence this one is $24 and I got this one for nothing, I jumped on it. I jumped on it really quick because I have a really hard time spending $24 on a lipstick, but $12, that's almost drugstore prices. I mean, there are lipsticks at the drugstore that cost $12, so I had no problems, and the quality of these BECCA lipsticks are amazing. So I ended up picking up the color Blush and the color Tulip. Let me go ahead and show them to you. I'd already taken them out of the box because that takes forever. This one right here is in the color Tulip. This is what they look like, right? And they have the most beautiful weighted kind of lipstick barrels. Their barrels are magnetized. I mean, it's not a really strong magnet like the Julep lip butters are, but they're a nice magnetized lipstick too. Anyways, this one right here is in the color Tulip. That's it right there. Let me go ahead and give you a swatch of Tulip. I'm not going to swatch everything, but if it's already open like these and I know I'm going to keep them, then I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you. So that right there is Tulip. It's kind of a corally, rosy kind of lipstick. I love these kind of colors. This is right up my lipstick preference. And so the next one is this one in the color Blush. This is a little bit more of a neutral color, a little bit warmer, I would say too. Whereas I would say Tulip has a little bit more pink. I think that Blush, which is the one on the top, is a little bit warmer, more cinnamon maybe in nature. I kind of like both of those. I think that I'll wear the one on Blush a lot in the fall and in the winter, so I'm really excited about that. Actually, I think I'll wear the one in Blush more in the fall, and then Sorbet I'll wear more in the winter. So I'm excited that I have a couple more of those lipsticks. I think they are wonderful, and buy one get one free was just a deal I could not let that go by. The next thing I picked up, and I was kind of happy about this one too, was a Soap and Glory lipstick that they had. But in either case, I picked mine up in the color Peach for the Sky right there. Y'all know I love me a good peach. Let me put this packaging down. That's the color right there. It's more of a sherbet orange. Let me see if I can give you a swatch of that one. What I like about this one is it's really, really soft, so I had to take it down. But what I like about this one is that it's almost like lip butter, that one right there. So whereas the two on top are more of a cream lipstick, this one is definitely more of a lip butter, very hydrating and very comfortable on your lips. And so kind of excited about that one. And then I picked up a Vice lipstick. I think these were like, I don't know, $10 maybe. I love Vice lipsticks from Urban Decay, and more than anything, I love their sheer formula. I really don't care for the cream or the mattes. I mean, I can take the creams. I've got a couple, I think. But my favorite formula from Urban Decay is their sheers. And so this is the one I got. And it's in the color Wrong Number. So it's absolutely a mauve-y lipstick. Let me go ahead and give you guys a swatch of that. It really kind of looks a little bit like the BECCA one, only sheers. So whereas that's BECCA blush right there, the one on top, that is Urban Decay's Wrong Number. So it's slightly a more sheer formula, but very close in color to the blush one from BECCA. I'm so excited. I have all those bullets. Now, I picked up 2 more lipsticks like in the bullet form, and they were from Essence. And I think these were like $2. Seriously, I think normally these are more like $3.50, $3.50 or $4. So it was a bit discounted, but not nearly as much as these were. But what I liked was the colors, and so I picked it up, and this one's in the color Happy, and this one is in the color Freaky. So this is 01, and the color Happy is in 02. Anyways, long story short, unfortunately, my Freaky must have freaked out because it completely melted within the tube. As you guys can see, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, it's all worked up. And so I took it and stuck it right back in there. But Florida weather is so extreme right now that I can't fault ULTA for that. It was just too hot outside. And then when I brought it inside, I should have taken it and put it in a fridge, but I didn't. I wanted to go ahead and see them. And when I opened it up, the whole lipstick came out. It was actually attached to the cap. But long story short, I like the color. So let me go ahead and give you guys a swatch of that one. That's Freaky right there. Oh, they have such a nice formula. It's very much a gel. I'm kind of really looking forward to wearing this in the fall. It's almost an in-between color between Blush and Tulip from BECCA. And the formula on these is beautiful. Now these are, I think they're cream formula. Again, like I said, I'm not crazy about anything matte. So nothing that I purchased, I think, was matte. In either case, the next one I got was this one in Happy. This is definitely more of a fall color for me. Let me go ahead and swatch it this way and I'll show it to you on my hand. It's that color right there. That one right there. That it would be Happy. It's got a little bit more of a grapey undertone, but it's still very mauve, more cool in nature. It's a beautiful lipstick, and I'm really excited to wear that more in the fall. It's a little bit richer of a color, and I was kind of happy I got one like that because of all the lipsticks I got, I didn't get a red, and that's really weird for me. But next thing I got was another Dose of Colors lip gloss. Now I love their lip glosses. I think they're very nicely pigmented, and they are beautiful on. The one I got this time around was Spill the Deets. Now I own Happy Hour and Just My Type, I think, are the two that I own. So Spill the Deets is slightly a little bit more of a pink, I would almost say slightly more of a cool tone pink. Now this one I don't mind opening and swatching it for you guys because, to be honest, I'm keeping this one. So let me show you Spill the Deets. Oh, I made a mess of that because I'm doing a left-handed swatch and I'm not good at left-handed swatch. So that right there would be Spill the Deets. Again, it's a beautiful pink, just a mid-tone pink with a little bit of a mauve undertone to it. Really pretty for the fall. I picked up a couple of these Catsuits. Now they're sealed. They're by Wet n Wild. And so because they're sealed, I'm not going to take the time to open them. This is Chic Got Real. And again, it's more of a rosy mauve color. Beautiful color right there. I just think it's so pretty for the fall. Can't wait to wear that one. And then this one is more of a pigmented bright pink, and it's in the color Taffy Tantrum. I'd seen this one on Lip Gloss Leslie's channel, and I was like, oh, I love that. That's just a bright, beautiful, happy pink. And I'd never seen it in store anywhere. So when I saw it online that day, it was coming home. I was so excited to get that. And then I picked up a couple of Persona's lip glosses. Now I have one in a box and one not, and I don't know where the box for this one went, but I have been using this one, and this one's in the color Coral. So I'll go ahead and swatch that one first. I couldn't believe that they were part of the sale. Their lip glosses and also their liquid lipsticks, I think they were something like, I don't know, $10 or $9. In either case, there's something like $16 at regular price. So anyways, this is the one in the color Coral. Such a pretty bright orangey coral. I love this kind of color. However, let me go ahead and show it to you in a swatch. It's a gloss, and so it's not quite as pigmented as, let's say, the ones by Dose of Color. So it's that one right there. So you can see it probably, but it's just not quite as pigmented as, let's say, the Dose of Color one. But it gives you a beautiful wash of colors on your lips, and they smell really, really good. I don't know, it's like a fruit punch maybe. Is that what that smells like? I love the smell of those. And then next one I got, and I don't want to use this one because I might give this one as a gift. It's the color Peach. it's right there. That would be the color peach. It's so pretty. It's a little bit more of a nudie kind of peach. It's so pretty. And again, I'm not going to swatch that one because that might be a gift. Since I got one, I can give one away. And it's really helping me to do that for Christmas. In either case, I picked up a couple of these. And it's the Revlon Kiss, and I got this one in the color Sweet Cherry, and then I already opened this one and I've been using it, and this one is in the color Strawberry, Fresh Strawberry. It's more pink. This is more red. Again, this is in their packaging because I might be giving that away. But oh, I love this one in the Fresh Strawberry. These are so good. They're so soft and hydrating and comfortable. And guys, you'll notice that that's a theme in what I'm buying lately. My lips are so dry because of my Sjogren's that I absolutely have to do everything possible to help them. And that one right there, that would be Fresh Kiss by Revlon. These are so nice and comfortable. I was really happy to get those as part of the sale. Oh, here's the packaging for the Fresh Strawberry. And then the next thing I got were a couple from MILANI. Now I got two from the, what is this one? Keep It Full. And then I got one from the Liquid Lip Color in Amore Shine. So I'm assuming that this is more of a gloss. Because it was the shine kind. I hope it's not the liquid lipstick kind because I do not care for their liquid lipsticks. Let me go ahead and, oh yeah, this is a gloss. This is for sure a gloss. So in either case, let me give you a swatch of, what color was this? This was in Charming. It's very much a pigmented gloss. More, I would say, kind of like the Dose of Color one. This is definitely in a mauve right there. A mauvey brownie mauve. That's the one right there. Oof, that's a terrible swatch. You can tell that I'm not left-handed. And then the other two, they are shrink wrapped, so I'm not going to open them up. And the one is in the color Soft Rose, and these again are in the Keep It Full MILANI line. And then this one is in the color Blush. The one in Blush, it's more of a cool tone pink, and then the one in Soft Rose is more of a nudie rose tone. Just both of them are gorgeous. I initially saw these on Lip Gloss Leslie and she just raved about them, so I decided to pick a couple of these up. It was basically like a BOGO, buy one get one free. So excited to try these, but again, like I said, I don't want to open them up because I might give them as a gift. So anyways, guys, those are the things that I picked up on National Lipstick Day. I was so excited to find the things that I did at the prices that I did. Those BECCA lipsticks, buy one get one free, was unbelievable. To try the Persona formula, which is so nice. I mean, really, it's beautiful. It was great to get those on sale. Also, the fact that I got to get another Dose of Color one, like that one is so pretty. I'm so excited to try that one. And now that I see this one by MILANI on my hand, I am so excited to wear that in the fall. I love that kind of a tone in the fall. So yes, this is, I mean, and the Essence, guys, I'm not even going to stop about that. They have such a nice formula and it just is so soft and comfortable. The Freaky one is really the one that I've tried. I haven't really worn Happy Hour yet because that's more of a fall color for me. But anyways, guys, that's it. That was my National Lipstick Day haul from ULTA. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending a few minutes with me. I hope that some of these things made you smile because anytime I see lipstick, it makes me smile. I often tell people that for me, lipstick is almost like therapy in a tube. If I go to the dentist, I'm going to the drugstore and I'm gonna buy myself a lipstick. I love lipstick. To me, it's something that just brings some color to my face and it makes me smile, and especially if it hydrates my lips. But yeah, that's it. That's all I've got for you guys today. A nice short little ULTA lipstick haul for National Lipstick Day from ULTA. It was a great time for me. I hope it was as good for you. I just really enjoy lipstick. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed this and that it inspires you to pull out your favorite lipstick at home. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much one more time for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't yet, please take a second and hit the subscribe button. I'd love for you to come back and visit me sometime soon. And you all have a great day and be blessed. Bye.